Yeah, so to find the derivative of this function, we'll just use the quotient rule. Derivative of top, 4x cubed times the bottom minus derivative of the bottom will be derivative of 3 is 0, so negative 4 times negative 4, that's positive 16. Subtract 1 from the power, that's negative 5 times the top divided by square of the bottom. This. Okay, and now we'll try to simplify this by distributing this and then distributing this. So that's 3 times 4. That's going to be 12x cubed and then negative 16. So when you multiply the exponent, you're going to add the power. So 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So this will be 16x to the negative 1. And then over here, we'll have 16x to the positive 1. Negative 1 again. Negative 5 plus 4 is positive. And then 16 times 16, I mean 16 times 6, that's going to be negative 96 x to the negative 5th power divided by 3 minus 4x negative 4 squared. Now let's combine the like terms. So these two are like terms. We can combine this. We can combine these two, which will be 12x cubed minus 32x to the negative 1, 96x to the negative 5 divided by 3 minus x to the negative 4 squared. And I mean, this can be simplified further. We can maybe, if you can do the reciprocal, I mean, this is fine, but x to the negative 1 is 1 over x to the negative 5 is 1 over x to the 5. So we can do that. That could be another way or an equivalent expression that we can find. So 32 over x, and this is 96 over x to the 5. And then the common denominator here will be x to the 5. So then I will have to multiply this by x to the 5, top and bottom. And this one I will have to do x to the 4, top and bottom. So then this will turn into 12x to the 8. So 12x to the 8. And then 32x to the 4. Negative 96 divided by x to the 5. But we're also dividing this by 3 minus x to the negative 3 minus. The bottom is 3 minus negative 4 x to the negative 4 squared. You can put 1 here. And then we can just do this. X to the 4 minus 96 over x to the 5 times 1 over 3 minus squared. And then we can multiply the top because we're multiplying two fractions now. Negative 96 over x to the 5 times 3 minus 4x squared. So this could be an alternative expression, but I'm assuming that this should be fine. You can also just leave it like this. This will do it. Yeah, so that's it.